How to unhide messages on Messenger. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to find and unhide hidden chats or message requests in Facebook Messenger on iOS and Android. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having an Android device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you gotta head over and open your Messenger application and you will be redirected to your chats. You'll be able to view your hidden messages on two places. One is archive chats and the other is restricted chats. So what you gotta do is first of all, you gotta click on menu, and once you're in your menu section, you gotta click on archive over here. And once you click on archive, you'll be able to see all of your archive chats, and you can simply scroll to the left and click on unarchive, and now your hidden messages would be unhidden. So you can go back to your chats and you'll be able to see that the message is over here. Now the other way is going to menu again, and then you gotta click on settings over here, and here you gotta click on privacy and safety, and then you gotta scroll down until you find the option of restricted accounts. So simply click on that, and here you can see that there is a restricted account. So you gotta simply click on it, and then you gotta click on unrestrict over here. And once you do so, it would say that the account has been unrestricted, and you can go back to your chats and you'll be able to view that chat over here. So that is basically how you can unhide messages on Messenger. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.